Hey there. Homeschooling means being the teacher, the administrator, and the accountant all at once, and the paperwork can bury you. Let me walk you through the homeschool curriculum planner and budget tab by tab, so the admin side takes minutes instead of evenings. The dashboard is your overview, curriculum spend, attendance days logged, grades at a glance, and where you stand against your budget and your state's requirements. Curriculum shopping tracks everything you need to buy by subject, with cost, source, and whether it's purchased, so you build the year without overspending. The cost comparison tab lets you weigh options for the same subject side by side, so you can choose between programs on price and fit instead of guessing. The weekly schedule lays out your subjects across the week, so every day has a plan and nothing quietly gets dropped. The attendance tracker logs your school days, which matters because most states require a minimum number, and it counts them for you. The grade tracker records assignments and scores by subject, building the record you'll need for transcripts later. Field trips and extras covers the enrichment side, trips, co-ops, and activities, with their costs tracked alongside everything else. And the year review pulls the whole year together so you can see what worked, what it cost, and what to change next year. That's the whole planner. Every formula already built. Works in Excel and in Google Sheets, and it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Go make the admin side easy. Thanks for watching.